If you've lost access to your Ally Bank account and can't use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Ally Bank website. Go to the official Ally Bank website. Look for the sign-in option and click on it to begin the account recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you don't have access to your phone number, select an alternative recovery method. This may include answering security questions while using your registered email address. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. You may need to provide personal information such as your social security number, account number, or other identifying details to confirm your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to complete the recovery process. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Ally Bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Ally Bank's customer support for further assistance.